Hello there. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get the paper money options in Cash App. So since I'm still waiting for my account to be approved on Cash App, I have visual aids for you I prepared for you to get through on this presentation. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is of course open the Cash App application, and this should be your landing page. On the top right section, you'll see this icon. This is gonna be a profile section icon. Make sure you click on that because you're going to be arriving on this choices or this platform, and click on support. You got it right because we are going to contact customer service again for this one because there is no other workaround regarding this matter. Click on support and then make sure you scroll down to the very bottom and start a chat because we need a live agent regarding this matter. So click start a chat and a customer service representative will get back to you. Regarding this matter, please let them know what happened and what do you need with them. And that's it. That's how you fix that paper money issue in Cash App. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.